Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your sari world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I'm very happy to bring to you a beautiful collection of hand embroidered saris. Different kinds of hand embroidery are practiced in different parts of India, and the collection I'm going to present here today is representative of various kinds of hand embroideries. So let's get started with these beautiful saris. We begin with a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari in a short mustardish color with green borders, and this sari is adorned with beautiful Sozani embroidery done by our artisans in Kashmir. The gorgeous sari is in a short mustardish color. It's a dual tone or doop chow sari, and the beautiful green borders are Mailkan motifs in zari. The motif chosen for embroidering this beautiful sari is the chinar leaf motif. Now, chinar tree is found in abundance in the Kashmir region, and that's the reason we have chosen this motif. And the embroidery is done in colors of pink, green, and blue, and it makes the sari look absolutely beautiful. The pallu of this beautiful sari has simple zari lines, and again it has the same iconic chinar pata motif, beautifully, carefully, and intricately embroidered by our artisans from Kashmir. This sari comes with a running blouse fabric embroidered with similar motifs as the sari, but you can also pair it with a green blouse or any other contrast blouse based on the colors of the embroidery. Up next, we have a drop dead gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari adorned with Lambani hand embroidery. The Lambani is a nomadic tribe, and this tribe is found settled in various parts of India. And our Lambani artisans are based out of Karnataka. The colorful Lambani embroidery is an absolute delight to the eyes. This is a very pretty pastel pink Kanchivaram silk sari, and it's got all over zari cuttons or grids. And this beautiful sari is adorned with colorful Lambani embroidery in various colors of blue, yellow, green, orange, red, purple, etc. The borders are also embroidered with great detail. This is the gorgeous pallu of this beautiful sari. You can see the level of detailing that has gone into the beautiful embroidery work done on this sari. The pallu is in a plum color and it's beautifully adorned with Lambani hand embroidery. At Kalpavastram, we take a lot of care and pay attention to detailing and designing. And if you see, our embroidered saris have embroidery going right till the end of the sari, the innermost end of the sari. The same level of attention and detailing is paid to the blouse fabric, and you see how beautifully the blouse fabric of this Kanjivaram silk sari has been adorned with Lambani embroidery. The spotlight is now on patti work or full patti work of Aligarh in Uttar Pradesh. We have a beautiful kota sari in a lovely lavender shade embroidered in shades of purple. This is the lovely body of the sari. The shade is a lovely lavender color and it's got beautiful patti work done on this portion like this, on the lower portions like this. This is the grand and elaborate pallu, and you can see how much detailing has gone into the making of this beautiful sari. The edges of the sari here have a beautiful lovely edge like this, a finishing given like this. These saris are my absolute favorite, and I used to wear these kind of saris to work during my long stint in the IT world. And I always used to receive loads of compliments, and I had colleagues inquiring where I got these kind of saris from. So when I started Kalpavastram, I thought this is the kind of sari that I have to bring to clients, I have to bring to people across the world to love and appreciate the beautiful hand embroidery and handcrafted tradition of India. The sari comes with a blouse fabric with the same full patti work or applique work as the sari has. And it's a very, very lovely and elegant sari, perfect for work. We now focus on two more embroidery forms from Karnataka, the Kasuti and the Negi forms of embroidery. So we have a lovely yellow Kanjivaram silk sari which is adorned with some Kasuti embroidery and some Negi motifs. This is the gorgeous body of the sari. It is a lovely yellow with all over zari kattam or zari checks, and our artisans have beautifully embroidered it with Kasuti and Negi embroidery. If you see the lower side of the sari, you will find beautiful paisleys done with kasuti technique of embroidery, and there are these bold motifs which are the negi embroidered motifs. The kasuti embroidery is this, which is more delicate, and the negi embroidered motifs are the ones which look like woven motifs, but actually these are hand embroidered. The gorgeous pallu of this beautiful sari is adorned with kasuti and negi embroidery. We see beautiful diamond-shaped kasuti motifs and paisley-shaped negi motifs adorning this gorgeous pallu. This is the inner end of the sari, and you can see that the embroidery goes right till the inner end. And this portion is the blouse fabric, which has embroidery which will come on the sleeve portion. How can our list of embroidery art forms be complete without the famous chikankari work of Lucknow? So we have a lovely lemon yellow kota sari with beautiful chikankari embroidery done on it. The body of this beautiful sari has paisley motifs done using chikankari embroidery, and there is some work along the borders also. The pallu of this gorgeous sari has beautiful paisley embroidered on them. This is a lovely shade of yellow and absolutely perfect for the summer. Zardosi is an ancient form of embroidery. The word Zardosi is derived from the word Zari and Dosi. Zari meaning gold or the zari, and dosi meaning embroidery. So this beautiful form of embroidery incorporates wires which are twisted, coiled and then embroidered onto the fabric. At times beautiful beads and pearls etc. are also stitched onto the fabric. So here we have a stunning black pure crepe sari on which we have done beautiful Zardosi embroidery. The body of this beautiful sari has lovely Zardosi motifs like this embroidered on them. The borders and pallu are adorned with Zardosi motifs which have pearls and coiled zari wires. This chic and stylish sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with an ivory blouse and that will elevate the beauty of this sari by several notches. Our collection of beautifully embroidered saris is available on our website www.kalpavastram.com. You can directly purchase these saris from our website. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.